issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Spalding County in West Central Georgia, East Central Meriwether County in West Central Georgia, Pike County in West Central Georgia, Southwestern Monroe County in Central Georgia, Upson County in West Central Georgia, Northwestern Crawford County in Central Georgia.
Let me close my door.
County in West Central Georgia until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Rock, or near Barnesville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Thomaston, Barnesville, Forsyth, Zebulon, Milner, Molina, Yadesville, Williamson, Orchard Hill, Meonsville, Culloden, Aldora, Gay, Sunset Village, Lincoln Park, The Rock, Atwater, Hilltop, and Russellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The forecast.